Hey, welcome to another lab. So today we're going to be working on lab 24. So our scenario is as follows. A junior admin change permissions on key directories, fix security holes, restore ownership, and apply special bits where needed. All right, let's get started. Investigate /temp permissions. Okay, so we could just do lsld temp. What permission is missing that protects user temp files? That would be sticky bit. And the reason why I know this is because usually back here, there's supposed to be some kind of T indicating that sticky bit is active. So just to review, the D just means that this is a directory. Here are the privileges of the owner, so they have read, write, execute permissions. Here are the privileges or permissions for the group. They have read, write, execute permissions. And then here, back here is for other or everyone else. They also have read, write, execute permissions. The sticky bit stops folks from deleting files or the whole directory if they themselves didn't create it. So it basically helps, especially in the scenario where you're dealing with the temp directory, which anybody should be able to access and use. Anyways, let's move on. Restore proper permission to /temp or the temp directory. So we could do that with the change mod command. And normally you'd have to do sudo, so you'd have to have elevate permissions or root permission to do this, but we're gonna do it. So change mod to 177. What we're saying here, the 1 represents the sticky bit. The first 7 is the owner, which is saying that they have full permissions. The middle is the group, and the last one is any other random user also has full access. And then we need to put in the directory, which is temp. A script requires root privileges even when run by normal users. Which bit allows this? That would be set UID. Apply set UID to /user, /local, /bin, /my script. So we could do that with the following command. So again, change mod. So we either could do 4755 or U plus S. Now with the 4755, what we're saying here, the 4 represents the set UID. The 7 represents the owner. This 7 represents the group. So the group and the owner have full read write permissions, whereas everyone else would just have read and execute permissions, but not write permissions. So they have read, execute. Yep, that's about right. So now let's go back to this one. And let's do the path. Oh, there we go. Local, and then bin. There we go. Script. Numeric mode for a directory with set UID and full permissions. So that would be 2770, or set GID. So set GID, hence the 2 that represents set GID. So 4 represents set UID, 4000 represents set UID, 2000 represents, or the 2 in the thousands place represents set GID. And then if we go back over here, the 1 in the thousands place represents, what do you call it again? Why am I blanking? Set UID, or I'm second guessing myself now. Let me double check up here. Command blah 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 blah. Oh no, that's what I meant to say. It actually represents the sticky bit. I'm silly, because the set UID is the 4000, like I was saying, and then set GID, which is group ID, is represented by the 2000s place. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this lab. I will be back with another lab tomorrow. Take care.